Hi, it's Kevin from Grupo Mariana, developer of Playa Mariana in Nicaragua. And the purpose of this message right now is to show you around Hotel Plaza Color. Why? Because come March 19th to the 22nd, that's going to be our huge groundbreaking discovery event. And everybody's going to come and stay in Granada. And there's a couple hotels you can stay at, but this is the one where I totally recommend you stay at because it's right in front of the square and everything you want is right here. And the church, that big famous yellow church, the Iglesia, the Cathedral, the Granada, the one you see in all the pictures, it's literally just like right there in front of you. And behind that church is the calzone where all the restaurants and the entertainment is located. So when you come into this hotel, it's an amazing, amazing hotel. It was always my dream to have a hotel like this in Granada. And one day I will. And I believe the rates are about $120 to $130. Let's find out. Señor, dígame, ¿le precio por una noche? Más o menos, ¿cuánto vale?
$136.85 en habitaciones con una cama para dos personas con los desayunos.
So, ¿ciento qué?
136.
136. Okay, ¿con desayuno?
Con desayuno.
Okay, perfect. So that's $136, and you get breakfast in the morning with the room. And here's pretty cool. I come here sometimes. They have a little bar over here, TV and a bar. When you come to the bar, it's AC in here. So if you're looking for some escape, or you're up late at night after we shut everything down, this is a little bar area and that's right in front. Isn't that nice? Look how amazing that is. It's no wonder I love Granada so much. And so that's the reception area. And then when you're hanging out in the hotel, all right, it's basically 2 stories. So there's rooms on top and there's rooms on the bottom. But let me walk you around here because this is the flavor of Granada. It's amazing. Just think, and soon we're gonna have this at the beach too. Casa Mariana is what it's called, of course, right? I made that name, that company up many, many years ago. So when you're here in Granada, this is where we could be hanging out at night, talking business, talking trash, talking Nicaragua, but here at Hotel Plaza Color. And then look, it continues on here, and they got a nice casual pool area. And it's so nice out right now. It's basically really a lot of outdoor living. We've had events here in the past, and everything turned out to be really, really great. And so sometimes we set up the buffets like that, and I don't know how much time you're gonna have to go swimming, but you're definitely gonna want to dip in the pool on some of the hot days that we go out. And this particular hotel is only a couple blocks from my house where we'll all be gathering. So Hotel Plaza Color, okay? This is where you want to rent your room after you reserve your space to join our groundbreaking discovery event. Let's check it out. I'm just walking around here. I haven't been back here before, okay? But isn't that a nice atmosphere? Do you guys want to go upstairs? Should I go upstairs? Okay, let me find the stairs. I'm in the wrong area. I'm in the wrong area. Hang on, stay with me, stay with me. This is a long form video, so we got time, right? There's no hurry. I'm actually here with the engineer there at the front, ordering some coffee and some smoothies. And I'm going around making videos. Of course I'm going around making videos. What else do I do? So this is behind the scenes of like development of a 923-acre project in Nicaragua. I'm the owner, Kevin Fleming, founder and the chairman. With my wife, we bought a huge property 8 kilometers south of Masachapa. And we're launching our real estate on February 19th, but you probably already know that. But in case you didn't, this is the top part where you have more rooms. What's really cool about this hotel is this is soon going to be at Playa Mariana as well. Isn't it amazing? When you see the condos that we're going to release and the beach club, you are going to be absolutely amazed at what's going to be available. Never seen before. Absolutely incredible. Isn't this a nice feeling, a nice atmosphere? I never get tired of it. Ever, ever. See, you look down. That's where we were walking down before. Okay, so I think that's a bit of enough tour. I'm actually kind of hungry, thirsty. Time for a coffee. We still got a lot of work to do tonight. Some more master plan details. It's February 3rd today, just so I date this video. I don't know when you're gonna be watching it, but today's February 3rd, and we're making great progress on the site. In fact, we're gonna be building close to 5 homes in the next 6 months. Isn't that exciting? Some clients are gonna be building 4 homes. I'm building 5 homes and some model homes. We're donating close to $25,000 to our security family, not to them directly, but to build a house and move them from the location of where they are. And I'm really excited about that one. That one, probably, if anything, I'm excited the most. And one of the best things about this restaurant, Plaza El Colon, is you have Cafe Las Flores attached to the hotel. And they have amazing coffee, smoothies, and I think some of the best food here in Granada. So that's a tour of Hotel Plaza Colon, fronting the square in Granada, Nicaragua. So go down below, look at the links, download your event schedule for the March 19th to 22nd tour. When you get on when you join the wait list, okay, at playamariana.com, you'll see about the event listings that we have and how to get down here and join us for that amazing event. And you're going to surely be glad you did. Bye for now.